In my last video, I walk you guys through how you can start your skill online as a copywriter and what you need to know as a copywriter. Right now, in this video today, we are going to put that to text. Everything I walk you through in my last video, the framework, how to write prompts, and all of those things that can make you render a service for clients and get paid, right? So this is what we are going to leverage on right now to rank our Fiverr profile and get more order with our Fiverr gig. And after the end of this video, I'm going to walk you through another process that you can use to get access to tons of clients online without any hassle, right? So if all of this being said, guys, let's jump on screen and don't let us waste time. We will be talking about why most of you are not getting order even when you have the right skills, you have the good profile and everything. Why are you not getting order with your profile and everything of such? I'll be breaking it down to you. I will give you the prompt that I use, how you are going to do it, and how you are going to copy the step-by-step process and the proven strategy that you can use to get clients at the end of this video, right? So like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to this channel, and let's go together. And you can use the first link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp community where we share updates and we do a whole lot more outside YouTube, right? So don't forget, this video is not a get rich quick business. This is a strategy that if you implement on your own and you do what is required, you can get a result for yourself, right? Now, everything I'm sharing is based on my personal experience and I do not promise you any income, right? But this is what works for me and I'm sharing it to you now so you can copy it and you do it for yourself on your own, right? So if all of this being said, let's get down to it. Now, the very first thing that I'm going to talk about is why most of you are not getting Fiverr order even with your good profile. Now, let's start from your gig title, right? You see, your gig title is something that should be straight and direct to clients because those are the things that clients sees first when they sees your profile, right? You see, your gig title should be able to tell a client what they are going to get from you and not what you tend to offer, right? What they are going to get from you. You see, the online space is very, very critical to an extent. Nobody wants to give, but everybody wants to take. And that's how freelancing works because clients want to hire you for a particular result. And once that result is missing from your title, which is the first thing that they get to see, they might click off your profile. And that's why you have impression, you have no clicks, right? Because they feel like you are not resonating with the result that they want, right? The number two thing that I'm going to talk about is your gig image, right? You see, your gig image is a place where you should show the real value that you offer because that's the place like what they see. The design should be eye appealing, eye catchy with a bold text about the results that you want to offer them, not what you want to do, right? What I'm talking about is strictly about you, assuming you are a copywriter like we shared in the last video right now. Your copy or your gig image should be something about sales copy, increase conversion and everything like that. That's what you are going to design your sales, your gig image around and not just I will write, I will do this. Now you improve, right? You tell them the result and once they see that, they will want to check out your offer because that's what resonates with them. That's number one point and where you get clicks, right? Now the conversion happen from your gig description, right? You see, gig description is where they see and they get to read what you want to offer extensively, right? You know, your gig title have brought them to your gig image have brought them to click it, and also your gig description is where you tend to use to convert those visitors, those clicks to order, and that's where you sell yourself before they can buy anything from your profile. Right now, these are the things that we are going to tackle right now, and the document or every prompt that I'm going to use is going to be under this video in the video description, so you can click that and you can copy this and replace it with your skill so you can get the same results that I want to do right now with our AI for this writing. Right now, master this and get good at it because this is what works. Using the right prompt, using the right copy, using the right information is what can get you Fiverr. And always remember that strategy beats looks every time in the online space. It's not just about having good profile, having tons of review, but if your profile doesn't sell, you are not going to get the order, right? Now let's get down on our screen, right? You see, if I come over right here to this document, this is what I've prepared for you that I said you can have access to with the link under this video, and this is a template that you can copy and paste for every of your profile section on Fiverr, right? So I'm talking from your profile description, where you can see that place that you have to write 600 character. Don't forget what I shared with you in last video about copywriting. You can see we are using CAC framework, which is credibility, audience, capability, and CTA for our profile description, because that's what suits it and that's what we want to use. Right now, when I scroll up right there, you can see our Fiverr gig title. You are going to see the framework is going to be different. We are using I will, right? Action words, niche plus outcome. You can see we have the examples right here that we are going to use, and the next one, which is where the conversion happen exactly, which is Fiverr gig description. That's where we are using our pastor plus SEO layer. Right now, this doesn't just sell, it's also rank. Right now, we are going to put everything to test step by step right now, and the very first thing that I will say before we use this is setting up your profile. It's easy. Just watch my video, the one showing up right here now. Watch that video. I'll walk you through how you can set up your profile and how you can create your account. So the content that you need to set up your account is what we want to do right now, and we can get to rank our gig. Right now, another thing is your profile picture. Make sure you use something very, very professional. I mean, you looking straight to camera like this, and you use a picture that's very, very professional, not a fashion show or anything, that can help you communicate with clients and get you a whole lot of stuffs done as well. So coming over right now, we are going to see, I'm going to copy this gig, right? So we are going to copy all of this, right? I have this now ready. Make sure you copy it to the last word right there. So once that is ready, let me just recopy this. Let me copy this again. All right, so I have this ready. Now I'm going to go over to my AI. So I'm using Cloud, and for you, you can use ChatGPT or anything. This prompt works better on anyone. Right now, once I come over right here, I'm just going to paste this. Now the very first thing you need to do is to come over up right here. You will see for your skill or service. Now this is where you put in what you want to sell to work. Right now, you are going to put this, and all you need to do is to remove this. Right, so once you remove this, you put in what you sell. So I'm going to say sales copywriting. Right now, once you put that in, you look if you have any section that you need that again. So if there's none, then you hit the push button. Right now, once you input the push button, you are going to see what we are going to have right here, and you are going to see the results we are going to have for this particular store. You can see 5 years writing copy that converts. My clients have used my sales page, VSL, and email sequence to close 4 and 5 figures deals. I write. Now see how long it takes before it talks about personal. That is what the framework does. It positions you where you need to be. Right now, a client will have got cut off with this information at first before your own personal introduction. I write the words that make people pull out their wallets. I work with coaches, consultants, course creators, and e-commerce brands who need direct response copy that sell, not just sounds good. The service, you see, send me your offer. I will tell you exactly how I will sell it. Right now, instead of you can probably replace, instead of send me your offer, or you can click check out my gig and everything like that, then you are good. Right, you can see we have a whole lot of keywords that can also rank on Fiverr. Right, we have it stuffed in this little profile description. Now imagine this, what we've done right there at the very beginning before we get to our title and also our profile description. So this is going to be a top notch and it's going to rank. Right, so we have our profile description, which you can copy and paste somewhere when you are setting up your account. Now the next thing that you want to do is our gig title. Right, so I'm going to come over right here again, and I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to highlight this to the end right there. So once I have this, right now, I'm just going to come over right here again. Then I'm going to paste this right here. So once I paste this, I'm just going to come over right here again. Then I'm just going to change this to sales copywriting. Now, don't forget, this is very, very essential for you to check everywhere you have to replace your service and everything. But since you can see I have this particular place again, so I'm just going to put that in sales copywriting. So fill every of your information to the right places so you can get the good result that you are looking for, right? Now, so once this is done, all you need to do now is to push the button again. So we wait for the result, and you can see right now it's going to generate what we need to generate approximately to what we want to use on Fiverr, right? You can see I will, which is the first title, write direct response copy for your funnel, landing page, and ads. Now we have some keywords that we rank in that: direct response, sales copy, funnel, landing page. You imagine that kind of thing, and you can see buyers searching for any of these phrases can land on your gig. And we have another one right here, which is write converting sales copy, VSL scripts, and email sequence. And also we have high converting sales funnel copy for coaches and course creators, right? You see, we have 3 different ones, and it recommend the first one because of the keywords that it consists, right? You understand the metrics. We are not just trying to write the best thing to get our profile ranked or get everything done, but also rank our gig for sales. Right now, imagine we ranking at the top, and also we still have what it takes to convert every leads that we get to order. That's the sweetest thing. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let's go together. And don't forget what I said at the end of this video. I'm going to show you another strategy that you can use to get clients online for yourself without any hassle, right? So let's continue. Now let's write our profile description. Right now, if you come over right here again to our prompt, which I'm going to give you access to in the link in the description of this video, as said. Now I'm going to copy this last one, which is our gig description. Now I'm going to copy it. So you see, this one is very lengthy because this is the most essential part of these things, and this is where our conversion happened. Right now, imagine now we will retrace everything. We have a title, or we have a profile that says we have 5 years of experience, and clients has been able to close deals of 5 to 7 figures or so, yada yada yada. And once they click on once they click on our gig, and they can see I write the response copy, that's, and you can see this, we have the title. Right now, the description where the whole thing happened, let's paste that in, and let's go over at the top and let's replace our skill. Right now, I'm just going to replace this with sales copywriting again. All right, so now I'm going to look for that. So I'll probably, let me just copy this, or let me just copy this so I can always replace this. I have this right here, so I can replace this, and I guess that's all I need to do. And you can see everything is ready, so there's no place. Okay, I have to replace this by service right here. All right, so position sales copywriting has the right answer. Okay, you can see that, and everything is well ready. Now I'm going to push this. Now once you push this, it's going to write the converting copy that you will use as your gig description. It's very keyword stuffed. You can see at first, you can see keyword identified in this. So anybody that is searching for these keywords on Fiverr, plus the ones that is in your title, in your profile description, they are going to land on your gig. Right now, you can see your offer is sold, your product works, but visitor land on your page, read a few lines, and leave without buying. Right, you have this. You can see the hook, right, the problem, right, what you do, the solution, and the benefits. Right, and you can see the call to action. So for you, there is no reason for them to message you first. Make sure you correct that. Order now. Like, order now. You don't need to message. Order now, because you've crafted your offer there and we suit them for what they want. So order now, right? So you change this to order now, then you can probably correct the last line, your call to action, and everything. You can see we have the keyword played right there. You can see what I said, the solution section, the offer, you see the bullets and everything. So we have this keyword. Right now, we have this, all of this ready. Now the next thing now is to watch this video about how you can create your Fiverr account and use the exact prompt to rank your gig and position yourself for Fiverr order. But one thing, make sure you are ready to handle multiple order, because this might surprise you with some results, and make sure you are able to capture everything that comes your way. Right now, I promised you one thing that I'm going to show you about how you can get consistent clients without any hassle. Right, you see, this is something essential, and I feel like you need to do as a freelancer, because you see, sitting on Fiverr and Upwork is a long-term stuff. But how about you, instead of you or the time that you'll be waiting for Fiverr order, you do something and you position yourself in a community or in a way that clients can get to see you outside Fiverr or Upwork, and you can get to land jobs and take payment directly to your bank. You are not paying any charges or anything at all. So how to do this, how to get these clients, how to pitch to them, how to get monthly deals, how to find them in the online space is what I've packed up in a course for you, right? That the course you can get access to right now after this video with the first link in the description of this video, where it says the freelance client acquisition ecosystem. Just click on the link and you can get to join this course. Right, you can see a whole lot of these results that you are seeing right there. A whole lot of these results is from people that have showed, the people that are inside this community already, and they are crushing it already, and they are still landing jobs on Fiverr. And this is not all. If you come over to the sales page, which I'm going to pull up for you right now, you will see my own particular results, and you are going to see more of them. And even I've not updated every of the sales page results, because there's a whole lot of results we pin up right here. So all you need to do is to click the link now and enroll for this course at still a discount, because it's still currently at 20,000 naira. Because once we, as you can see at the time of recording this video, we are currently at 210 enrollments, and once we hit 250 enrollments, this price is going to go up back to 35,000 naira. And you can see right here, these are the information you need to watch this video and you understand everything that I've packed up for you. You can see, you read everything right there, and you can get to see my results and everything, and other people's results. I have to limit it because we don't want to board you with our results, because we want you to come on board so we can have your own right there. So that's why we not put everything, so we have space for your own results as well. So you can see everything that you are going to master, and you are going to get access at 20,000 naira currently through the link in the description of this video, before the price goes up to 35,000 naira back once we get to 250 enrollments. Right, so all you need to do right now is to click that link, enroll for this course, and make sure you are ready to work, because I will be holding your hand. It's more of like one-on-one. After you learn everything in the classroom, you come over to the group, ask questions, and I give you daily tasks to help you get your goal done. Right, so if all of this being said, guys, I will see you on the other side. Until then, guys, be at peace.